think one of the biggest things when I sold my stores was the mistakes that I made. I am definitely not too proud to share some of those. One of the biggest mistakes that I made was I did leave a little money on the table. Some of the wording in some of the contracts cost me about $180,000. So it's easy to do. Taxes was another one that I made a huge mistake on, and it was just simply because I didn't know. And when I decided to sell, I took some steps back. I went and got certified, with the Institute of Mergers and Acquisitions to understand all of this, to understand how business were valued. I got with as many people that I knew that were in the industry. And mind you, this is in the infancy years, of consolidation. This was 10 years ago when I sold. And, like I said, I still made some mistakes. So the whole idea of what I do is I don't want to see other shop owners that are just like me. I missed a ton of my son's golf tournaments. I missed a lot of events at his school. I was late. I was always running late. It was awful. And maybe that's not your experience as a shop owner, but for me, I felt like all I did was run around trying to make people happy, employees, insurance adjusters, customers, everybody. I felt like that's all I ever did. And the happiest day for me was the day I sold. And again, I'm not here to try to talk you into selling. That's not my thing at all. My thing here is, hey, if you think that's something that you want to do, let's get some education and do the right things.